As an Irish traditional singer, Sinéad O'Connor was a huge influence on me growing up. Her music and her interpretations of the old songs, but also her own material, really shaped who I am as an artist, and this is one of the songs that I had formerly thought was silly, and when I heard Sinéad's version, I was moved to tears. In Dublin's fair city, where the girls are so pretty, I first laid my eyes on sweet Molly Malone, as she wheeled her wheelbarrow through streets broad and narrow, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh. She was a fishmonger, and sure 'twas no wonder, for so were her father and mother before, and they all wheeled their barrows through streets broad and narrow, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh. She died of a fever, and no one could save her, and that was the end of sweet Molly Malone. But her ghost wheels her barrow through the streets broad and narrow, crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, alive, alive, oh, cockles and mussels, alive, alive, oh. Ar yeiste go raibh a hanam uasal, agus gur míle maithagad a Sinéad.